Hi guys, welcome to TechBased. In this video, we're gonna talk about a new Windows 11 25H2 disk usage bug, a bug that causes the disk usage to be abnormally high, and that is caused by a certain system file in Windows 11 in the most recent builds for Windows 11 25H2 on the main release. In this video, we're gonna talk about what the issue is, how it was discovered, and how to fix it by updating to the latest version of Windows 11 25H2. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, in the last couple of months, there have been a lot of Microsoft forum posts by certain people claiming that their hard drive has an abnormal amount of disk used, and this is one of the most popular posts out there. As you can see, 80 plus people have had this issue. Basically, this person is claiming that about 70 gigabytes is being used by the Capability Access Manager database file in Windows 11, and there are certain people that are stating that file is taking up 16 gigabytes, some people less, some people more. So it is indeed an issue with that file in Windows 11. There are also people that are providing certain useful information and temporary fixes for this issue, such as stopping the service and even accessing the file by going into safe mode. The official location of the file is inside local disk C, and here you're going to have to enable the hidden files, and it is inside Program Data, Microsoft, and then Windows. And we're going to have here the Capability Access Manager. You cannot access this folder using the normal Windows boot up. You're going to have to boot up into safe mode because, as you can see right now, if I try to access it, I'm going to be denied, and also I cannot see the disk used. So this is indeed an issue that Microsoft has acknowledged, fortunately. So this issue can be easily fixed by updating to the latest version or latest build of Windows 11. The latest update or build is the optional update, which I strongly recommend you install if you want to do so, or just wait for the patch Tuesday if this issue is not present on your system. But we're talking about the build 26200.8737. At the time of the recording of the presentation for this build, Microsoft hadn't added that fix in the official blog post, but now they have silently added it in the official blog post for this build. As I've said, this one were KB509509.3. And here under changed log, you can see that Microsoft has added this update improves disk space usage for the Capability Access Manager.db-wall file. Basically, that file had some issues. It used a lot more space than it needed, and for people who have an SSD with about 250 gigabytes plus minus 70 gigabytes is felt tremendously, and of course that could have caused big issues for the operating system. This is all the information Microsoft is giving us. Under normal rollout, you can see that this is the only information, that this just improves the disk space usage for this system file. This is basically a system file that manages resources and saves up information about how resources are used by certain parts of the operating system, such as the camera. So indeed, it was a bug that can be fixed if you update to this latest version, as I've said, or just wait for the next patch Tuesday, which should be released on the 14th of July. I'm really looking forward to seeing your opinion in the comments below, and maybe if you've encountered this issue. But of course, as I've said, the issue is pretty simple. That file caused an abnormal use of the disk space, so a quick fix would be to update to the latest version that Microsoft is providing by just going into Windows Update and then checking for updates. This way, you're going to have all the latest fixes, and those will be applied on your system, and you should no longer have any issues. So this was the video for today. I hope you liked it. If you did, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Manny from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.